What's shaking in the AI world? Get ready for a rapid-fire download of the tech that's about to redefine everything. We've got Google dropping game-changing updates, and AI pushing boundaries like never before. You do not want to miss this. First up, Google's Gemini app is getting a serious glow-up with a brand new look for its home screen widget. Then, Google Docs is borrowing a killer feature from NotebookLM that's going to change how you consume information. But wait, there's more. We're diving deep into why Gemini might just be eating ChatGPT's lunch with features you can't get anywhere else. And finally, get ready for Gemini Live to get a major visual upgrade, showing you exactly what it's talking about. Stick around, you're going to want to hear all of this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a single update. Gemini app gets a widget makeover. Google's AI assistant, Gemini, is rolling out a significant update to its Android home screen widget, moving away from the standard rectangular design. This redesign, appearing in version 10795460806 of the Gemini app, introduces more fluid and rounded shapes, aiming to give a more modern and whimsical feel to your device's home screen. The update brings distinct shape changes depending on the widget's configuration. For the single-line widget, which typically features just a row of icons, the left side now boasts a much more pronounced curve. This design choice is intended to visually align with the main button used to launch the app with the keyboard ready for immediate prompts. For users opting for the 2- and 3-line widgets, the curves are now concentrated at the top. A notable detail in these multi-line configurations is the return of the prominent dynamic color accent for the Ask Gemini pill, a design element that had previously been removed. This revived accent is expected to make the widget stand out more dynamically on the user's home screen. The update to the Gemini app is primarily responsible for these visual changes, including the app icon, system share targets, and crucially, the home screen widgets. Core functionality, however, continues to be powered by the main Google app, with new features often delivered server-side. This widget redesign comes at an interesting time, following significant announcements it made by Google 2025, where features like a native audio model for Gemini and expanded app support for clock, messages, and phone were revealed, hinting at Gemini's growing integration into the Android ecosystem. Early user reactions suggest the new widget shape is a welcome departure from the conventional, offering a more personalized and visually engaging experience on the home screen. The update is currently rolling out via the Google Play Store. Hold on tight, the AI evolution is just getting started. Next, we're diving into how Google Docs is about to get a massive AI upgrade from NotebookLM. Google Docs embraces audio with NotebookLM feature. Google continues to integrate its powerful Gemini AI capabilities across its product suite, and the latest enhancement brings a highly anticipated feature from NotebookLM directly into Google Docs. Starting now, Google Docs users can convert their documents into audio files, offering a new way to consume and digest information. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who prefer auditory learning, need to multitask, or simply want a more accessible way to review documents on the go. The audio generation is powered by Gemini, mirroring the technology used for NotebookLM's audio overviews. Initial testing indicates the system is both impressively accurate and remarkably fast. Users can access this new functionality by opening a document, navigating to the Tools menu, and selecting the audio option followed by Listen to this. Authors also have the option to embed the audio version directly within the document itself, allowing readers to listen with a single click. While Google has introduced various Gemini features to workspace applications, with some receiving mixed reviews, the audio generation system is being hailed as a significant improvement for Google Docs. It not only expands user options, but also substantially enhances document accessibility for a wider audience, demonstrating AI's potential to positively impact daily life. This swift transition of a key feature from NotebookLM to Google Docs highlights Google's commitment to leveraging AI for user benefit. It is important to note that while this feature is powerful, it does not replicate all of NotebookLM's advanced capabilities, such as generating podcast-style discussions with multiple AI hosts. To utilize this new audio generation feature in Google Docs, users will need to have a Google Workspace business or enterprise plan with Gemini Access, or subscribe to Google's AI Pro or Ultra plans. Additionally, Workspace customers with specific Gemini add-ons for education and business will also gain access. The feature is rolling out in phases, so users are advised to refresh Google Docs if they do not see it immediately. But the AI innovation doesn't stop there. Get ready for a direct comparison that might surprise you. Prepare for a deep dive into Gemini's unique strengths against ChatGPT. Gemini outshines ChatGPT with unique AI capabilities. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, Gemini has emerged as a formidable competitor to established players like ChatGPT, boasting unique features that set it apart. For users seeking advanced AI tools, particularly those with Android or Pixel devices, Gemini presents a compelling alternative worth revisiting. This comparison highlights 3 key features where Gemini currently holds an advantage over ChatGPT, showcasing its innovative edge. While both Gemini and ChatGPT offer free basic versions and paid subscription tiers, Gemini's Pro plan, priced at £20/18.99 per month, is comparable to ChatGPT Plus, but includes an additional 2 TB of storage. Gemini also offers an AI Ultra plan, positioned as a competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT Pro. The first standout feature is Gemini's Storybooks. This tool allows users to generate personalized children's storybooks with simple prompts, utilizing a claymation art style. A user, for instance, created a story about a child's first day at a Brazilian jiu-jitsu class, which was quickly rendered into a visually appealing, interactive storybook that can even be read aloud by Gemini. Although minor AI-generated anomalies might appear, the overall experience is highly engaging for children. While ChatGPT offers custom GPT storybook generators, Gemini's integrated feature, complete with page-turning animation and read-aloud functionality, offers a more polished and immersive experience. The second key differentiator is audio overviews. This feature provides concise, podcast-style summaries of information sources, featuring a conversational format with 2 AI hosts. Originally developed for NotebookLM, Google's academic learning tool, audio overviews can be generated within Gemini by uploading text or PDF files. This allows users to quickly grasp key points from lengthy documents without extensive reading, a capability currently unmatched by ChatGPT. Finally, Gemini Pro subscribers gain access to VO3, an AI video generation tool that can produce up to 3 videos per day with synchronized audio. Users can script short scenes, and VO3 generates videos with characters that lip-sync accurately to the dialogue, even incorporating appropriate emotional expressions. While OpenAI has its video generation model, Sora, it does not currently offer the precise lip-syncing capability demonstrated by VO3. These distinctive features position Gemini as a highly functional and engaging AI tool for both personal and professional use, demonstrating that while ChatGPT may dominate in popularity, Gemini leads in several innovative areas. Stay tuned, because the AI revolution is getting even more visual. Prepare yourself for Gemini Live's groundbreaking visual guidance system. Gemini Live introduces visual guidance and enhanced interaction. Google is significantly upgrading its conversational AI assistant, Gemini Live, with a suite of new features designed to make interactions more intuitive and helpful. A major upcoming enhancement is the introduction of visual guidance, which will allow Gemini Live to identify and highlight specific objects or elements on your screen when sharing your camera feed. This capability is set to launch first on the new Pixel 10 devices on August 28th, with a rollout to other Android devices commencing simultaneously, followed by iOS in the coming weeks. Imagine pointing your phone at a collection of tools for a DIY project. Gemini Live could then visually pinpoint the exact tool you need. Beyond visual enhancements, Gemini Live is also gaining deeper integration with core mobile applications, including Messages, Phone, and Clock. This means users can seamlessly transition between tasks. For example, if you're discussing travel plans with Gemini Live and need to update someone on your arrival time, you could simply say, "Send a message to Alex that I'm running about 10 minutes late," and Gemini would draft the text for you. Furthermore, Google is rolling out an updated audio model for Gemini Live, promising a dramatic improvement in its use of human speech elements like intonation, rhythm, and pitch. This will enable Gemini to adjust its tone based on the context of the conversation, adopting a calmer voice for stressful topics or more engaging tones for storytelling. Users will also gain the ability to control Gemini's speaking speed, similar to voice mode adjustments in other AI assistants. For narrative tasks, Gemini might even adopt accents to provide a richer, more character-driven retelling of stories. These advancements underscore Google's push to make AI assistants more context-aware, visually interactive, and personalized, moving towards a more natural and efficient user experience. And that wraps up our tech-packed update. We'll be back with a quick recap and all the ways you can stay connected. And that's a wrap on today's AI news. Gemini's widget is getting a fresh look, Google Docs is turning text into audio, Gemini is showing off features ChatGPT can't match, and Gemini Live is getting visual superpowers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more cutting-edge tech updates, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat, and let us know in the comments which AI development has you most excited. Follow us on all social platforms to stay in the loop. We'll see you in the next one.